Friday on the channel, we took a close look at the crew chief Lightning McQueen from Cars 3. Go check out that video. A pretty cool release. The only new release for 2026 that was on screen. And yesterday we took a close look at the case unboxing, and today we'll be taking a close look at the new 2-pack of Red and Guido, where Red is actually a massive difference compared to his previous, deluxe size releases. We know that Red got downscaled in late 2025. Talk more about that when I have got him out of the packaging. But yeah, I got these from Get Me Collectibles in the case unboxing. Go check out that video, of course, if you want to know the full contents. But yes, there is 2 of these in the case. One to keep him packaged and the other one to open up. Works out perfectly. So I guess without further ado, let's get straight into the review of the packaging. So yeah, we can see here Red, which is the main one we will be taking a closer look at today, and Guido, which was first introduced in 2026 Singles Case D, which I have already taken a close look at if you want to see that video as well. We can see here Red, Rogue, Rojo, all a bunch of different languages for Red because he is just a basic colour. We can see the Mattel logo there in the corner. Obviously small parts because of Guido. When we go to the back, we have one Cars 1 pack, which is Roger Wheeler and the King. I decided I'm not going to do a video on that one, at least for the time being, because, there's nothing really too special about them. He's almost the same as his previous Thailand release, and this stupid ass pack there as well. Obviously, it does say made in China, so that's why, these are all new variants. So without further ado, let's get this guy out of the packaging. We have the new Red and Guido all out of the packaging, and I absolutely love this new Red. Although he is downscaled, it is actually pretty cool. It's a shame he doesn't have the chrome decaling on the side here. We'll get into that in just a few minutes. But I'm just going to quickly compare him to, compare this Guido to the other Guido that I got in the case D, because, there might be some differences. If you want to check out the full video on that, you can do so. Feel free to. So yeah, this is the one from the 2-pack, and this is the one from the single. And I'm going to do the switcheroo, so you guys know which is which. This is the 2-pack, this is a single. I don't see any differences within the mouth. And obviously we've got the side here, which will probably be pretty much the same. There is the back. There is the other side. The top, yep, the dark blue is the same. When we go to the base, just the date will be slightly different. They use a little code, different printing method to put the code on, as you can clearly see. So that is literally the only difference I can see for Guido. Obviously, if you want to check out my full comparison video, then feel free to do so. But anyways, going on to Red, I'm going to have to zoom out because he's still a lot bigger than expected. I'll show an image of where he appears in Cars 1, possibly Cars 2, and also Cars 3. It just really does depend if I can get clear enough images. He doesn't speak, so there is not much to talk about Red's history. He is just a basic fire truck. So, what am I going to do? I guess I'm going to show off Red first and review him, then compare to some other Reds I have. So, yep, he's got basically a different eye colour now. I'm looking at my other Reds, and the eye colour used to be like brown. This is now like a hazel sort of colour. So, that is weird. We've got the red bits there. We've got the chrome on the front there on his nose. His horn, I suppose. We've got a little bit of chrome on the front. Obviously, his expression is now, his mouth is painted in, as we can see there. Really interesting stuff. And then when we go to the side, I'll throw an image on your screen very quickly of what the Precision Series 1 looks like. I do have the Precision Series 1. I believe I showed it in my previous collection package video, but I didn't get it out because it's like so far down in my boxes. Yeah, you can just see the differences between that one and this one. They look pretty much the same. Obviously, that Red has a workable moving ladder. This ladder doesn't move. You can see radiator springs, fire department there. How blurry are we? I mean, it could be worse. Could be worse for sure. It's like what Mattel did with the Thomas when they added like outlining or rivets to Thomas, like the engines, and they've just now finally decided to add the outlining for red here. Very weird for sure. But yeah, we can see that outlining, the yellow outlining looks so much better. I mean, it's such a shame he doesn't have the chrome. You can see radiator springs here as well. So obviously this back portion, I believe, is plastic, or at least some of it is. So that's why this logo here, or the radiator springs, actually looks a lot clearer. See the rims there. The 002 license plate, obviously it reads Carbureted County above, as you can see. 4 lights. And we can see, you know, the other side if you are interested, just for shows. There's the ladder, you've got the horn up there, or the lights. You can see the base, what I mean about it not being chrome. 330th day of 2025, so what, 306, so this was released around about November, like right at the end it was made. So very interesting for sure. So that is the comparison, well not comparison, the review of Red. I am now going to show you him against his old China release, so you can see here just how much difference the, well not size, but well, the front, it will look the same. You can see the mouth expression difference, so that is a nice bonus for sure. And then when we go to the side, you can see they added that yellow outlining around the side here where it should be, just like in the movie. So now going over to the chrome detailing, as we can see here, this obviously OG China is a lot better than what we get nowadays. Imagine just putting this red onto this, maybe a little bit bigger, then it will be pretty much sweet. Obviously the working ladder is exclusive to the Precision Series mold, so I can understand if we, you know, don't get that upgrade, but it would be cool if we put the top half, the metal part of this onto this. That would just look really, really cool. Obviously the back as well, you can see how much chrome there is, just so much better. And obviously here's the side, and then when we go to the base, it burns. This is the 2007 release of Red, so very interesting. Leave that one in the background. And then we have this version here, which is the lenticular one, pretty rare red now. Just thought I'd show you guys that I got this. And then when we go over to Cars 2, we have the bigger version of Red, as we can see here. And the eye colour again is a lot different. The mouth is actually properly painted in. You can see the light on top as well is a lot different colour. And the side decals again are not printed in, or the yellow stripes ain't painted in. It's like a lot of the OS Townies this year are getting upgrades. We've got Sarge, Fillmore with a new expression in the 5-pack, Lightning McQueen in case A. We also got Sally, I'm just trying to think, Sheriff for the chrome bumper. Just a lot of the OS Townies are getting upgrades, and again, Guido one of them. So that is really weird. Maybe it's just a thing that Mattel are doing for the 20th, and then next year they'll go back to regular releases. Comparing him to his Racing Rescue version quickly, we can see here, which Racing Rescue version? Ah, yeah, China. So this is the 2026 version. Just see the different colours in red. Obviously, that's not really going to pay much attention because this is a completely different release. I don't want to take too long on these comparisons because I'm pretty sure nobody is really interested. And another red I did want to compare though quickly is this one here, which is the Rusty's Racing Centre Red, which didn't appear in the movie. I believe I've done a video on this years ago now, like in 2020. Crazy, that's years ago now. Look at that gold bumper. Imagine they made an exclusive gold red. This is what something it would look like. Just looks really, really cool. You can still get this guy on AliExpress, I believe. Oh, look. Oh, gold, gold. I'm not going to put the cut song on because I'll get copyrighted for sure. Yeah, that is pretty much it for the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this new red variant. Do you like it? And I will see you guys on Wednesday for some Piston Cup races. Those ones are really cool and really weird. Till then, peace everybody.